Everything feels good there. Let's see if we can pull this off. Everything sounds good. So I feel a lot of heat in this harness and I feel a lot of vibration. So I've got to do something about the dampening of the vibration. This prop is brand new. Yeah, a lot of vibration through this frame. This is where I normally kiteboard down here. We'll take a little turn here. It's going to take us a while to get back. It took us about 3 minutes to get down here. It'll probably take us 10 minutes to get back. We are just barely moving. But that's fine. I just wanted to putt around anyway. What is this thing? Let's see if I can. They put up a telephone pole. But I really don't know this paramotor yet. Almost. Not as good as I'd like to know it. Thing to go back in the propeller. I don't know if these crosses are because somebody died out here or if they're just putting it up. For the fun. These guys have their paramotors and their motorcycle. Pretty cool. Good combo. I wonder if this lady would get mad if I landed, touched the back of her go-kart. Yeah, a lot of vibration. That's great. Super gusty right now. The wing is kind of moving back towards the gust. I don't know I can set that. But I think my hang run's good. God, I'm flying. I don't want to turn the camera off because I like to see the amount of time I've got. We're at 20 minutes right now. Not at least yet. Ideally 30 to 45 turn off the gas. Not to the point where I hit the car. Oh, it's not as bad on the ground as I thought it was going to be. Alright, let's test our audio down there. So I don't know that was 4 liters. but it looked like 4 liters.